Maybe you're a B2B founder right now sending cold email and it seems like it isn't working. You're sending thousands of cold emails a day. You book some calls, but no one closes because they just don't trust you. Maybe you don't even get to the book a call stage because they're not booking a call since they don't trust you. But you gotta ask yourself, does your LinkedIn profile convey the offer in your cold email as clearly as possible? And does your landing page do the same? The reason your cold email isn't working might not be your deliverability or even your offer. The hidden culprit a lot of the times is your online presence. And I've seen it time and time again with a bunch of people that are sending cold emails. They barely have any LinkedIn profile. They don't have a website that conveys their offer clearly that was exact what they sent in a cold email. They're not congruent. You don't need some major PR run, okay? That's not what I'm saying, but a few simple fixes to your LinkedIn profile and landing page will make worlds of a difference. A major mistake I see when people sending cold emails is that they aren't even on the internet at all. So they have a LinkedIn profile pic with like this gray faceless head, and then when you search their domain, it's a website that pops up with like 8 different categories, like a fact page and blogs and maybe some case studies, but not really enough that shows exactly what their cold email talked about. Now, inherently, there's something very wrong with this because when a cold email lead searches for you, you want what you're saying in the email to show exactly on your landing page and your LinkedIn profile. If the copy describing your offer that you wrote in the email isn't as clear as can be in like 5 seconds of someone landing on your page or your LinkedIn profile, you're 100% doing something wrong and you will get little to no results because there's no congruency in the ecosystem of your business. It's like if you see an ad, right, on Instagram, you're scrolling Instagram and maybe you see your mom, your grandma, and a bunch of people, and then boom, an ad hits you for a product. And then when you search their website, you can't find the product easily and there isn't any articles published or a LinkedIn profile of the founder. There's just really nothing for you to see. Everything's like a ghost town and it looks very, very sketchy. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this in literally 5 minutes using AI so you can describe your offer in your LinkedIn profile, clean it up so it's presentable, and create a landing page, not a website, I'll describe the difference in the video, that conveys your offer so people can simply opt in and schedule a call without even replying to your cold email in the first place. So let's get right into the video so we can fix this in the next few minutes. Alrighty guys, jumping into it, we're gonna first fix your LinkedIn profile with a bunch of AI, and then we're gonna get your landing page going with a bunch of AI. We're gonna talk about the differences between a website and a landing page. We're gonna change 3 things on your LinkedIn profile. It's gonna be the header photo, the LinkedIn profile picture. We're gonna use AI for both of these. The bio, we're gonna use AI for this as well. Custom GPT that I made just for you, link in the description, okay, as you watch this video. And then a bonus one, we're gonna change the featured, okay? So, we want our cold emails that we're sending, the offer in the cold email, to be congruent to whatever we have on LinkedIn. Okay, we want the offers to be the same, the landing page to be congruent with the one we send in our cold email. That's how we're gonna have congruency with our ecosystem and our business and have leads close easier and trust us more, okay? So the first thing we wanna change is the bio. And as you can see here, I help go-to-market engineers and B2B agencies get their dream clients by sending cold emails at scale with bulletproof cold email infrastructure on a dedicated IP. You can see I put 2,000 plus B2B companies served or 2,000 plus clients. So really, really important here, right? We wanna have the avatar that we help, right? For me, in my case, go-to-market engineers and B2B agencies and firms to get their dream clients, which is what is their dream outcome, right? More money, it could be more revenue, it could be 20% in sales, more closes, whatever, by the mechanism that you use at your agency. So for me, it's, providing cold email infrastructure. For you, it could be, it could be paid ads, it could be pay per click, it could be cold email, it could be whatever, right? And that's essentially what we're gonna use. So it's gonna look like this: LinkedIn profile generator, create a 2-sentence LinkedIn profile to show what a business does. And I've already prompted it and configured it. So all you need to do is please help me create a LinkedIn profile bio. And then it will start to ask you questions, okay, like who you serve, what you do, whatever. So once you do that, you can see totally here's the fast way to nail it. Who do you help? What outcome do you get them? How do you do it? Time frame and proof. So you're gonna enter these questions and it's gonna spit out a LinkedIn profile for you, okay? So who do you help? I help agencies. We're just gonna make this like not the best offer, but what outcome do you get them? 100K in, oh, actually, you know what I'll do? I help coaches and info gurus at 100K in revenue in 90 days. I use meta ads, all done for you, creatives, copy, scripting, filming, and then time frame plus proof. We've worked with with Hermosi, Dan Martell, and $100 million plus in info sales, right? So boom, just like that, simple as can be. Now you have this, and then I'll give you a few options. I help coaches and info gurus hit 100K in revenue in 90 days using done for you meta ads, strategy plus full creative production, copy, scripting, filming, work with Alex Ramosi, Dan Martell, 100 million in info sales. So that's what you want as your bio, okay? Pretty simple there. You're going to paste that into your bio. It's going to be congruent to whatever you're selling in cold email. Do not make this different. Make them parallel, make them congruent. Okay. Now for your AI headshot, pretty simple. You're going to use this company called photoai.com. It's by this guy named Peter Levels, and he does a really good job with these. So you could, upload, you just pay and you upload a bunch of photos of yourself, and you can create a ton of photos, as you can see. I mean, this is really amazing. The back end of this is something called Nano Banana Pro, by far the best image generation tool by Google, because they have all of the images on the internet, right? So you can create one, whatever one you like. I, tend to like this a lot. So I recommend, you can look at this. This is an AI generated photo. It's super, super good. So yeah, you can use that. And just like that, you have a headshot for you. Okay. And then also for your header, you want it to be congruent again to your offer. So you're going to use Manus for this, and I'll just generate a new task for it so you guys can see what I did. So I literally just pasted in the exact bio that the ChatGPT generated for me. It's going to generate that for you too if you click the link down below. Generate me a LinkedIn header photo from my marketing agency, create me an image describing what I do, blah, blah, blah. So then I do that, press enter, okay? And then it will spit me out an image that I can have. It already knows the dimensions of a LinkedIn profile picture, so it's really, really cool and really, really easy. So this is what it ended up spitting out for me. So right here, I help go-to-market engineers, blah, blah, and B2B agencies, firms get their dream clients, sending cold emails at scale with bulletproof cold email infrastructure on a dedicated IP, and then it has this cool techy background or whatever. So yeah, I like it. Boom, download that, put that as your profile. You can see here as your header photo. Send more cold emails, get more clients, create unlimited inbox at scale. Pretty easy. Definitely put the company that you work in right here in your profile. The colleges if you went to college, high school, whatever. And then get that LinkedIn badge, get that premium, pay for that premium subscription. Make sure that you're coming off as a real person, a trustworthy person that invests in looking proper, with the correct verification on LinkedIn, right? Because if you pay 80 or $100 or whatever this costs every single month, right? I think it's like 80 or $100. You're showing that you care about looking trusted. Okay. Now the last thing is on the featured. In this section, it's really cool because you can upload one of your best lead magnets. You can upload a bunch of case studies, testimonials of different clients. Really, really important to do that. So you can add that by adding a little plus sign. You can add a post here, whatever it is. So I really tend to like this, the featured, because you could just put a bunch of stuff here that you think is useful to someone that, could read your cold email, be like, go on your landing page and be like, that's pretty cool. That's the offer that he promised, whatever. And then here you can have a link to your landing page or a calendar, right? It's up to you. So yeah, with that being done, that being said, that's basically all you need to do for your LinkedIn profile. This is 80-90% of the work. If you want to sell on LinkedIn, you're going to have to do a little bit more, get more endorsements at the bottom here, whatever it is. There's endorsements that you can get, skill endorsements from different people or whatever. Good to have. You could make a little bit more optimizations, but this goes a long way. This is 80-90% of the work. So you don't have to worry. As you can see, I left the GPT link down below. The link to Photo AI is also there for you as well. Super, super easy. And Manus, if you want to generate the photo for your LinkedIn header, okay? Just like that, super easy. Now we're going to go into a website and the landing page. You can build this all with an AI tool. It's literally a few sentences. So this is a website, right? So right here, I'm going to show you inframail.io, which is our website. By the way, same website you can send 300,000 cold emails a month for $327 a month. Just adjust the inboxes, the infrastructure for 80,000 emails a month for $129 a month. Super, super good offer. But you could see here, I have a blog section. We upload blogs pretty often here. We have a FAQ page. We have, case studies. We have all this stuff here because this is our software company, right? We have all, as seen on MarketWatch, Yahoo Finance, USA Today, whatever it is, okay? Super important to understand the difference between a landing page and a website. So a website will have all these links. People can kind of get lost. But when you send a cold email, you don't want to send people to a website. You want to send them to a landing page with your clear offer that's directly stated exactly how it was in your cold email on your landing page, okay? So if you're gonna go to Lovable here, right, I'll show you an exact example of a landing page. So right here, this is an exact example of one that we had for a webinar funnel that we ran a couple of years back or a year and a half ago or something. How to blast 1,000 plus emails per day while automating your setup in minutes for free. Sign 1 to 3 high-ticket clients in 30 days, right? You can see here, we have a bunch of, testimonials from people. We have the button, register. It's very simple, okay? So here you wanna have a headline type of, landing page. You can also include a VSL here, which is a lot better, but you want to make it a very clear offer. So for example, I have this, boom, just like that, right? And then I'll go to Lovable and I'll literally be like, let me grab this photo here, create me a simple landing page, ignore my face on the bottom right, create me a VSL call funnel, headline, subheadline, and VSL with a button that says get started now. make the page very simple, white background, right? That's it, right? And then with the offer, let's just create an offer based on what I have on my LinkedIn profile, just like that. And then here's the offer, boom. Now, Lovable is gonna do this all for you. It's like 20 bucks a month. Super, 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 super easy to do. And you go straight into building your landing page, and then you could just publish it by connecting it to a domain. So it's very, very easy. So let's let this run for a little bit. So you could see it's building it right now, and it's actually coding the website. It's gonna be, we'll just record this in real time as we're doing this. So boom, cold email infra, trusted by 2,000 plus clients, land your dream clients with bulletproof cold email infrastructure. We help go-to-market engineers, Get started now. That's all you really need. It just took me one prompt, right? And then for the video, right? Super simple. You can literally just upload a video in here of your VSL and just show, exactly how you can help them. Talk about, you have to have a really good hook. I help go-to-market engineers build, sign their dream clients with great cold email infrastructure. And then you go into your offer, right? You go into showing the mechanism, how you could do this, your case studies, whatever. So you can have a 5, 7, 10-minute VSL. Super, super simple. Slap some case studies on the bottom if you have it, and that's all you really need. So you're gonna just click publish here, and then you can add a custom domain, and then it's pretty easy to connect. You can literally just connect the domain through GoDaddy. So I'm not gonna show you how to do that here. I hope you can figure that out with ChatGPT or something. It's super, super easy. You just sign into GoDaddy, pick the domain, and you're good to go. But yeah, it'll change the name servers for you or whatever, and it will go live in like literally, seconds. So I hope this video helped. Please change your LinkedIn header, profile photo with Photo AI, your bio, you're featured with some case studies, testimonials, whatever, a lead magnet, and then go and build a landing page, connect all of your secondary domains that you're using for cold email to that landing page. You're gonna have a heck of a good time. And one more thing, by the way, with this, what you could do for the get started button is just literally connect it to a Calendly or a Typeform or whatever, and then that will get you calls coming in simply by people landing on your page and liking your video. So that's gonna get you a lot more calls. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video. Comment below what you wanna see next. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit.